Welcome to the attic workshop. Today I'm in the front room, much to the demise of my good lady wife, who's actually stood behind the camera, I might add. But I'm going to be looking at cleaning up my set of drill bits, my auger drill bits. I've got a beautiful set of these that I've collected, and I've been in the process of sharpening them and cleaning them up. So that's what I'm going to be doing, sharpening up my drill bits for my brace. And I'm going to give these all a clean up. They're all not too bad. All the worms are in place, but they could do a little bit of a clean up, and some of them could definitely do with a sharpening. So that's what I'm going to do today.
Too bad, but we'll do a bit more. And that's all that needs doing. Now, this edge here, a few chips on the back. Just give that a little clean, and then come this side. Just find the bevel, the original edge, and just run down it. And that's sharp.
Now this one is totally different from this one. It's got two wings and two cutting edges, whereas this has only got the one wing and the one pure cutting edge with another edge that is kept trimmed. So again, this is really blunted down, sharp there, but blunted at the front there. Both the edges are fairly okay, but we'll just give them a go. Go back to this, because this gives it more. I think my file must be blunt, a bigger file. this does a much better job. Oh, lovely. A little bit more. Yes, there's one wing done. And that's beautiful. That's sharp. Now onto these two edges. So all we're doing is finding the angle, the original angle,
and then coming down that same angle.
we're going incredibly sharp. Same on the other side. Going incredibly sharp. I'm just going to take the burr off. Put them back into. Now clean up this worm screw here. Just use a bit of compound. Get that in there. Put it around the worm. And then go into a hole. See, don't need anything else.